We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, as you know, August 17th was Marcus Garvey's birthday. So, watching to see, a lot of people them would remember the icon, the man where, fight for black people worldwide. Marcus Garvey is a man to promote black unity, love blackness, everything black. Marcus Garvey is for it. Yeah, man, so we're making listen to a Marcus Garvey speech in his own words. But most of you know, most of you, especially the ones that were praise Garvey, but you don't even know the intricacy of the man's background. And there were a certain group of people in Jamaica, especially white people, they never like him. But them not going to tell you that them are fool you and all of these things. Because most people don't even tell you, you understand that Norman Washington Manley, that a Michael Manley father, when you could have vexed on the bus, that's the truth we are telling you. It's there in the history book. That's why I tell you so why I say we are telling you the truth. Norman Washington Manley and Sir Alexander Buster Manley, that a Norman Manley cousin, both of them, when Marcus Garvey body to return to Jamaica by the most hated man, Edward Seaga, Norman Washington Manley and Buster Manley say, oh, if you bring back the black man here, if you bury him upside down. And the same man where them teach you for eat, Edward Seaga, he might man to bring back Marcus Garvey body to Jamaica. But what Norman Washington man, and most of you don't even know that, you see him Norman Washington Manley, that's a Michael Manley father. Yeah man, him scam Rasta, make them sell all them place, people sell them place, I say them a wait for the black star line. Most of the people them that were involved die who sell them place and wait for the black star line. Figure Africa, them dead, but them have them children still alive and them can't share the story with us. Because as we tell you, we have a grandfather and a mother and them thing there, that them people that wrote it and they come on to the history of black people, and them used to share it with us. Yes. So we know all of the scammer them and all the pundits them and the propagandists them. That's why people, as we tell you, over here, so it's all about saving lives. So you're going to hear Marcus Garvey in own words and, listen to his speech. And August 17 was his birthday. Yeah, man, Marcus Garvey birthday. So do you know who never spoke or celebrated of Marcus Garvey? Yeah, man, Marcus Garvey was not a liar or a wicked, so they never like him. Marcus Garvey never sell out. I mean, most saying that he didn't know Marcus Garvey time when Marcus Garvey got prison. Because Michael Manley's father, Norman Manley, called him a nigger. And him thump him down and him got prison for six months. But them not going to tell you, even some Rasta not going to tell you that. Because them are not Jamaican, Them are PMP, like Muta Baruka. Them are not Jamaican. Muta Baruka, PMP, criminal organization supporter. You see, when you deal with truth, mince it and hide it. Just like how with the thing now, Coral Gardens with the and that team Rasta, the man in a rebel, because them was no Rasta and them thing there. With the Coral Gardens thing. Although some Rasta get caught up in it. And you know I tell the people them say 3 police were killed and you know and 5 civilian. And a policeman, last policeman died was last year. I want to say nobody. Him never get a state funeral. Him did bedridden right up from then until last year. And him not tell you that. That we tell you say you see propaganda is them coming at a different form. But you see we always tell you the truth of what you're saying. So what you say on an entertainment channel. I will tell you say Marcus Garvey is one of our biggest hero. We look up to Marcus Garvey. So that's why even me a police and them thing there. I only enough people people know me. A teacher I them used to call me Rasta Rai and Father Rai. Yeah, because I think the music that when me listen and the things that when me echo. Yeah, one of the people them and them thing there, yeah. You understand? I'll even to this day, in time I'll talk to some man and them thing like Ugly Hammer, Spanner, and all them man that will know me from a youth and them thing there, even as police. Yeah man, a teacher I them call me Rasta Rai or Father Rai. Yeah. And how I get the name Rai now, those who come from Jonestown I remember a man named Brother Rai. Yeah man. He used to work at water commissioner, be an American vehicle him drive. You understand? Him used to have him like a church and them thing there, them, you understand? So Rai Williams, him related to what family and them thing there, you understand? And him used to live on the boulevard and him passed away. So we'll continue the journey. So you know, so Marcus Garvey are our hero. So we're telling already, you know, so you know, yeah man, you hear some things, you know, before. This is as we tell you, you know, over here saying it. If you not learn anything, you know, that means say you're at the wrong channel, because you know this at the Jamaica Young Police channel, it's not an entertainment channel. We tell you that already. So we're not gonna repeat yourself, you know, you understand. As we tell you already, say, you know, we just want we just want people life to be better. You understand? So you know, we start off and you know, we tell you say, don't speak negatively about yourself, even as a joke. So you know, not even joke about yourself. Your body doesn't know the difference. Words are energy and cause spells. That's why it's called spelling. Change how you speak about yourself and you can change your life. What you are not changing, you are also choosing. So the next time you see a tall black boy or a black boy, tell him he looks like an entrepreneur, an attorney, an influencer, an analyst, an accountant, a CEO, a good police officer, a soldier, and not just a criminal, a footballer, a runner. As a black boy or a black girl, they can excel at all things, not just in sports. And you just tell them to stay away from criminality. Because when you commit crime, you know, you hurt other people. Think about your family. You see what is happening right now in Jamaica. A man all involved in a crime and his mother or his father didn't even trouble a fly. And because of them son, them lose them life. So choose wisely. We're in a different time. Black people, a time now, we start love each other. Because that's what Marcus Garvey is all about, you know. So we're making listen to Marcus Garvey. Yeah, the speech of listen to one of Marcus Garvey's speech in a Marcus Garvey own words. From back then, you know, over 100 years ago, that, you know, Marcus Garvey still live on. All of the people that persecute Marcus Garvey, we are there now. Only thing you know, so them have shrine or them have them photo and say them are this, them are that, them are era. And what them do for Jamaica? Nothing. And them same one, I two white man them, you know, them go England, you know, and them write the constitution and bring it back to Jamaica. You know, black people never involved, you know. A two white man, you know, we are cousin, you know, and them did racist, you know. Just remember, you know, Rasta keep Marcus Garvey name alive. Yeah, man. Do you remember the old Marcus Garvey, the name of the old Marcus Garvey? Yeah. Rasta keep him name alive. And just remember, you know, who ate Marcus Garvey. So don't be fooled by the wannabes and the frauds and the scammers. Because we can't tell you this, whether or not you know if you believe it. The PMP criminal organization never liked Marcus Garvey. Because Marcus Garvey not believe in a socialism. You know. Marcus Garvey not believe in a killing of black people. So in time, Michael man did use King Selassie, boy him get the rod. Lie him to tell a scam all the rest of them. And call himself Joshua. He wasn't a Joshua. Marcus Garvey was a peaceful man. But yet, the world, it's a Marcus Garvey, the most dangerous black man without a gun. All he used was education. All he used was education. So you have to remember that. Remember, Marcus Garvey who opened the eyes of the black man, and let the black man know, say, you are powerful. You understand? And Marcus Garvey tell the world, say, intelligence, rule the world, Ignorance carries the burden. The man who is not able to develop and use his mind is bound to be a slave of the other man who uses his mind. And at that we are trying to do. We are trying to tell you black people, so wake up, man. We know some things to you, it's hurtful, but I chose, so you just have to just love it. If you love the truth and you want better for your country or for yourself. One thing with Jamaican, you never hear Jamaican say, boy, God bless Jamaica. Them say, God bless me. So all of the selfishness. But you're going to listen to Marcus Garvey, and Marcus Garvey assure you, say, it's not about me, it's about us. But them teach black people to be selfish and look out for themselves, crab in a barrel thing. And it's still a go on to this day. Divide and rule. Divide and conquer. Defend all white people in a like way. White people. Just look upon the murder chart in the world. All are the same British colony them, are the same white people them who enslave our ancestors. I feed them colonies them are the murder capital of the world. So and them say poverty. I don't know poverty. Because if you look on the GDP for these countries, better than the countries them in Africa. So why is it? You know, say something wrong. Our enemy them are work from within. Them have the people them within for destroy we as a people. I want to still gravitate to them. I want to fight for yourself, for liberate the mind, free upon yourself. So you know, so boy, March August 17, Marcus Garvey birthday, we are say boy Marcus Garvey forget a national holiday. So we say a call to honor our own establishing Marcus Garvey Day as Jamaica's national holiday, celebrating greatness, a global tradition. So we see right around the world, nation honor their most outstanding leaders and visionaries with national holidays. Right here in America, you have Martin Luther King Jr. Him get all a day before Marcus Garvey. In a Marcus Garvey own country, when in a New York Marcus Garvey have a day, a Marcus Garvey and an American. Oh, Marcus Garvey on a birthday. Oh, Marcus Garvey on a holiday in a Jamaica in Barn. When we have Christmas, we have Boxing Day, we have every holiday we have to do with the Europeans them. And them give with them. But yet say we don't have a day for honor this money. That's supposed to deal with them before we end of this month. We're supposed to have a Marcus Garvey birthday. National holiday. Come next year, yeah, give the people them that. And Marcus Garvey, the end of the day for the guy out the boy, Galavan and a party, because I don't love party too much. It's a day of reflection. And you showcase the people them. Not talk about no Heroes Day. Heroes Day are Garvey. We don't know that. We are talking about Marcus Garvey Day, a day of empowerment and enlightening the people. And that's the day we are talking about. Around the world, nation honor the most outstanding leaders and visionary with national holidays. They set aside for commemorate these individual remarkable contributions to their people and humanity. In the United States, I will tell you, Martin Luther King Jr. Day is a powerful testament to the impact of a leader who fought tirelessly for civil rights and social justice in America for black people and other minority groups. Them are called black people minority when we are the majority back then in the world. Right now, are the Chinese and the Indian and them are the majority then the black people. Everybody robbed from we. Similarly, other countries recognize their heroes, ensuring their legacies are enshrined in the national consciousness. So it's time for Jamaica to do the same. We, Marcus Garvey, we remember who call you a nigger and sent you to prison for 6 months. But your legacy live on. And under the dummies, remember the white man and his wicked son. One love. And that Marcus Garvey favorite word, you know. So you're going to hear him say it in his own words. So anybody I tell you anything else, Marcus Garvey was never a socialist. Marcus Garvey don't believe in a handout. Marcus Garvey don't believe in a state to take care of nobody. So don't make no guy come tell you a fool you and not tell you about boy Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey not a socialist. Marcus Garvey never like the Manleys and Buster. Them never like him because I'm a black man. You understand? So we so make you see some things when them say about Garvey and them things. Yeah man. Michael Manley father called Marcus Garvey a nigger and him thump him down. But them not teaching all them something. Because them know so when I do because I love read everything on the sound of ear. You understand? But you know see it. So Jamaica at time now for we give Marcus Garvey him there. Celebrate the man's birthday. You understand? National holiday. Jamaica is blessed with a towering figure of historical significance. Marcus Mosiah Garvey, a leader whose influence extended far beyond our shores. We out worldwide. Marcus Garvey the first black man to be discussed in the 7th continent. Where the man them attack say, wait, all the black man are wear rope. And them say, wait, so you no question the King of England about fee rope. Or you no question the Pope. Who give them authority for wait? Them say, my people give me authority for wear the rope because me I lead them. I want to know. And them see him as a dangerous black man who never have a gun or an army. But him powerful because the mind. Them even at one time send all a man to kill Marcus Garvey because the man them say him chat too much. White people, them get what? Them get black people. Them get people, a man for come and shot him. The district attorney send somebody for assassinate Marcus Garvey. 3 shots. And Marcus Garvey, after him get all the shot, him still the same day. Him go give him speech. That in him book. But no for we don't know all them things there. That's why we say that's why them saying that. We don't even know all the FBI or the FBI came about, The FBI came about J. Edgar Hoover because them say Marcus Garvey was the Black Moses. And them have to do everything to stop him. That's why them use a blind man to send him a prison. A man who can't see. A man when him born, the only time the man can't say him say him dream see. Because him can't see. Him born legally blind and him send Garvey a prison. Everything was set. Just like how you see with Vibes, you see the wicked one. You understand? Satan's son. Just like how you see them release him. Everything was set. Everything was cooked. Even the lie, them when I defend Garvey, they were against him, and Garvey, they must say, boy, Garvey did too much of himself in the way about him. We ain't him time. So him start defending himself, and him say, boy, even that him still, and guess what? The way the man is so popular, pardon Marcus Garvey, and deport him. Marcus Garvey, the first man to get deported from the United States of America. First person is a black man and a Marcus Garvey. Because the white man, them say him too powerful. Because him empower black people. Marcus Garvey never tell black. Marcus Garvey never tell no black people and them thing there. Say boy, forget gonna and kill your friend or kill your neighbor because show them a PMP or show them them not for them now say power dead them for that. No, Garvey never was about that. But Garvey was all about unity. So don't make them fool you. Garvey never had about gangs. Garvey was all about the economy, medicine. All of these things for make black people. Because I tell black people say we are great people. We are engineers, we are entrepreneurs. Our ancestor built the pyramid. And Marcus Garvey will tell our black people say Jesus Christ is a white man. The white man with them have that. Marcus Garvey tell him says a rear admiral guy that Jesus Christ is a black man who look like me. And all of them things there. That was more than 100 years ago. We never have no internet then. Imagine if we have a Marcus Garvey right now. In a 2024, but guess what? Black people in a consciousness. I found them all about music and them love dance and the woman them love Turk and all kind of madness and woman, yeah, them not conscious. Them the woman them just like them a clown. This one only for makeup, this one only for falls here. Nothing about them the real. I just saw it go. So I that them have black people. And guess what? Of all of the race on earth right now, I want to race everybody see as dummies, and jokers, and idiots are black people, whether or not no one to believe it, When you look on the news all in America, I be everything when them show about black people are pure negative things. Yeah, black people them out there Turk and them yeah. I just saw it going, but we need to change. And guess what? You see our leaders them in the black community them where I try to help them. No, so them none of that. You understand? Yeah, them none of that. So we continue, you understand? So Marcus Garvey, yeah man. Marcus Garvey vision of a united and self-reliant black race inspired movement for justice and equality on every continent. So we are telling you Marcus Garvey wasn't a PMP. We are telling you that. Edward Seaga bring back him body there. You ever hear Michael Manley praise Marcus Garvey? No. Because Marcus Garvey thumped down him father. So all I want to run behind the PMP criminal organization. We're not telling you, say, we don't say one is just better than the other. But one teach if you kill the other one. Whether or not you want to believe it. One teach other if you kill the other. And then the other one have to find way to defend themselves. That's why you have more PMP garrison in the Kingston metropolitan area. Because they are the real terrorists. They are the one who stop the progress of the country. If you listen to, what I tell you, if you listen to Politics Watch, you will hear the man say it. You hear Sir P tell you, say, if the government even want to adapt the El Salvador policy and strategy of deal with criminal, the PMP now going to do it. Them now go on board with it. And the people them now have the appetite for that either because they love the killing. Them love the bad manism. Them not no love for themselves. That's why nobody no wants Jamaicans around them because these are some heartless people. Pirates and buccaneers. Vampires. Them vile and wicked. So the time has come for us to give Marcus Garvey the recognition he deserves by establishing August 17, his birthday, as a national holiday. Come on, man. A time now Marcus Garvey getting birthday. Him dear. There's no other guy, no other hero. You understand? And guess what? Taki supposed to be a hero, and I won't wait pan. The PMP them now argue with Taki, you know, cause Taki, remember say PMP, you know. You saw them very cunning. Them tell us say Labour Right Party are for white man, you know. But yet still, you know. I see them Labour Party fight and bring back. And the Labour Party, Edward Seaga, and bring back Garvey body come out Jamaica, you know. And the PMP say, no, you understand, him have to come back, him very upside down. Edward Seaga do that. Michael Mann, the father, said, no, bury him upside down. Because through Marcus Garvey, thump him down. Because him call Marcus Garvey nigger. If you read Marcus, the philosophy of Marcus Garvey, Marcus Garvey did know about racism when he was 14. His best friend, was him all save all the boy from John. And the boy mother, when the boy left to go back to Scotland, the mother said, nobody write the nigger, you know. As them time Marcus Garvey know about racism. Because everybody used to run up and down, white and black, them play cricket and football and all them things. And at them time, they save all the boy alive. At them time, the Marcus Garvey, they say him get the consciousness. But him not teach them something. So that's why we are telling about a woman named Favour Williams. Because we are going to hold up a Marcus Garvey thing. We're not busy enough views on them thing. This channel, a change, we want to change life. You have to understand who are keeping us back and who are destroying our life. All of the killing we want to stop. I just that we say. We don't know clansman, we don't know PMP, nothing. A pay death and destruction, them promote. And gunmanism. You understand? So, as we tell you already, and them say, yeah, you know, so Mr. Prime Minister, that Andrew Wallace we have call out to, you know. The call to honor Marcus Garvey with a national holiday is not just a matter of paying tribute to a historical figure. It's a matter of national pride and identity. Garvey's contribution to Jamaica and the world are unparalleled. His teaching inspires millions, if not billions. And his vision remains a guiding light for those seeking to uplift and empower the black race. Marcus Garvey philosophy why even as South Korea have a first world economy. The PMP, everything the government are try to fix the country, the PMP carry them go a court. And you don't know, so them have them liars were stuck down there in a PMP criminal organization. Because them not say God bless Jamaica, you know. Them say God bless me and my family. Them not care about the next, them not care about them neighbor. Them not care about Jamaica. Them not see themselves as patriots. Them not say nothing. Them not say, them not no commonality when they come on to the black, green and gold. No, them not see that. Them see themselves as orange or red. The one them from the 70s red. Blood are gonna run. That it did mean. And them say man all even change all the colour. Because the people them are sent you to change the colour of the uniform. The same school that Paul alone used to go. Beverly Manley and Fear Ellington. But through Beverly Manley and Fear Ellington, them are PMP and Brigadista. Them not a problem with that. With George Pang, them run down the pitney them. Pitney. And them have to change the school uniform from green to blue to please the PMP. Else them want to kill the pitney them. I saw Michael Manley have a people. When I talk about the man, a good man. Pitney. Ask Paul Llewellyn. We not a journalist at Jamaica and I pay criminal and all them things there. Some of YouTubers them have more character and credibility and reputation and integrity than most of the journalists. So we have two criminal there. So yeah, so in celebrating the birthday of the late Marcus Mosiah Garvey, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel would like to donate 15 books to the youths living in Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, Kingston 12. And we can bet you. And which part the first yard we want to forget to, you know, say 51 Maya Street at our yard. We don't know who live there, because we know say Junior dead. You have Iggy and Biggie and them man. But you know say people down there even afraid for a link because they don't want nobody go kill them. Can you believe that? You have 51 Maya Street, 51 Penn Street, father one Rasta man, him dead too. 30 Pencil Street, Mr. Buff Yard. 70 Setimo Street. And we can go on, you know, say we used to live a Scarface part where, you know, say people there, so, boy, they want to kill all the family, they want to kill people there, so, boy, they related to it. But we can't tell you, if we don't touch nobody down the floor, man, we tell you, say, open the gates at hell. You understand? I just saw it go. So, we move, you know, we continue the journey. As we tell you, say, you know, the man teaching, Garvey, teaching inspire billions, man, and his vision remains a guiding light for those seeking to uplift and empower the black race. Marcus Garvey not believing in a self, not self, not pity, and beggy and licky and wanga gutter and sell out. Self-reliance. You're not supposed to have vote because of where you get for eat. At that, remember say that them use and get rid of Marcus Garvey political party. They see them white people them use the same black people, give them curry goat, white rice, 3-finger banana and 2 dumpling and curry goat gravy with bone. Cause the white man take off the meat and give black people them a bone. Yes, and them and 1 cup of white rum. And when they don't eat and drink and junk, the next day they go vote. After that, them you understand. Marcus Garvey tell him say, me not gonna do that. All I'm going to do, I saw him lose all him seat in it. All I'm going to do is make certain say every day you can eat curry goat, white rice, dumpling and green banana and drink rum. Them say no, them just want it one day. So I same thing, you understand, the PMP criminal organization master and use against people. Terrorism, people can't think and behave and choose as them like. You understand? So by declaring Marcus Garvey a national holiday, we would be acknowledging his profound impact on our national and the nation, affirming our commitment to the values he championed: self-reliance, unity and pride. Just listen to what I say. Self-reliance, unity and pride. None of them word apply to the PMP criminal organization. Self-reliance, no. Pride, no. Unity, no. As you hear some people say, you small, tell the people them are Clarendon. Say, in I-70 said, them not supposed to be friends with labor right. As if labor right are Jamaican. So that's why I tell you, say, none of our Garvey philosophy no align with them. So don't make them fool, you know. We are telling you that. We know that PMP community will grow. God them always tell you, say, from we little, your first enemy are police and every labor right for dead. That's why we against them with them philosophy. We know that. Marcus Garvey Day would be more than just a day off. It would be a day of reflection, celebration, and inspiration. It would provide an opportunity for our Jamaicans to come together to reflect on our shared history and to celebrate the legacy of a man who dedicated his life to the betterment of his people. Show me which guy down in Jamaica try to do that now. Willing, yeah, we are trying to tell the black people them say self-reliance, unity. You understand? all of these good things where the man imparted to black people. No. Them not in that. This unity. Them not in self-reliance, unity and pride. Black pride, no. Them have a man with bleach and him tattoo himself like a frog, bullfrog. And them the people that them look up to. Nothing black. Yeah, they must say, oh no, black no good on them thing there. You know what Marcus Garvey tell the world, say black are beauty. Black is beauty. You understand? And then Nina Simone, because Marcus Garvey influenced all Nina Simone. Although them say, boy, she not get crazy and all them things before she dead. And she do his song say, young, gifted and black. You know, all black people have to fight for all in this country over there in the United States of America. You think nothing black people get nothing easy, and then on the day they are kill off one another. Say all the 8 people, then 17 people where them shoot, them shot like, you understand? Up to now, you don't see not one PMP criminal organization. Big wig. Go look for your people, them, and extend them condolence and some sympathy, and you know, you understand? And comfort the people, them, and tell them what them are do different. When them come, if them come in a power, say, oh, we start hang people. No, them not do that. Because for them bread and butter, I murder them. We I tell you, I just saw it go. We not nothing. Hey, look here, we not sugarcoat nothing, you know. You understand what I'm saying? People are against progress, them want stay in the past. We in the past, a forward we are move. We not in the past, stuck in the past, in the division. We are black people. We're supposed to unite for the betterment of our people. Stop divide the people, them give them gun, and I tell them about, oh, man for dead, come man a liberate. What kind of madness that? Liberate are Jamaican too. We don't say PMP criminal organization, they see themselves as Jamaicans. Marcus Garvey. So we celebrate the birthday of this man, the greatest man that Marcus Mosiah Garvey, the greatest man, black man over the earth since Jesus Christ. We look at and say, oh, we are telling that Marcus, this book, the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey, that's supposed to be Black Man Bible. I guide that for guide you as a black man. You see, you read that book there, you think the politician and a guy can't tell about for 8 a man through my PMP or through my labor, right? You run them away because this book can empower you and enlighten you and inspire you. And that's what we all about. Them don't want that. Don't make them fool in all them things. You understand? A Rasta, conscious people, they might try to reach out to fool them. You understand? Because them claim say because them educated more on a dummy. And that them say. But we know say not every Jamaican a dummy. Because we have people who are still smart and who can think for themselves and know the difference between wrong and right and know who's looking out for them and who want to destroy them and burn down this and roll over ashes. We don't want nothing to do with them. From your enemy our people. And we know that the media houses of Jamaica are the biggest enemy of black people. We say it already and we say it again. We are telling you that a long time. Sister P are telling you. You understand? It's just that he might not just, as some people say, boy, him not brush like me and them thing. Him do it subtle and still maintain him audience. You understand? While me just say it and run people just get vexed and say, shut that boy I see man. But hey, I just me that me can't be somebody else. Me I go always be myself. I just saw it go. You understand? Me I tell you. Yeah, so so Marcus Garvey Day would be more than just a day off, man. A day of reflection. It would provide the opportunity for our Jamaicans to come together. And that's how we want the betterment of our own people. To celebrate the legacy of a man who dedicated his life to the betterment of black people. It would also inspire future generations, reminding them of the power of vision, determination, and leadership. Garvey legacy is not just a part of our past, but the cornerstone of our future. So by establishing a Marcus Garvey Day, Jamaica would join the ranks of nations that honor their most outstanding leaders with national holidays. Just as Martin Luther King Jr. is a source of pride and reflection for our Americans. Marcus Garvey Day would be a powerful symbol of our national identity, a day to celebrate who we are and what we stand for. It would be a day when the world looks to Jamaica as a small island nation and the beacon of black empowerment and pride. So now we say, boy, we have a Marcus Garvey Day to go benefit the black people. The world are going to look and say, oh, yes, so the man come from this idea. It have to help and see it. Say, today in Jamaica is Marcus Garvey birthday, national holiday in Jamaica. All over New York celebrate Marcus Garvey Day. And I make for them worker in the state of New York a national holiday. For them. All that. And Marcus Garvey no born in New York. So why if you listen to the great Marcus Garvey and I'm thinking them own words. Yeah man, you watch, you listen and you decide. Marcus Garvey is greatest since Jesus. Hey, the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey is supposed to be black man Bible. I tell you that. Marcus Garvey is not Jesus or God. But Marcus Garvey is the prophet. The man that come and change the world for black people and make black people know, say, oh, you eat no guy, no other race is superior to you. Black man Marcus Garvey tell the world that. That's before science even tell the world, say, I black man are a dominant race. And Marcus Garvey used to tell black people that. So all them little guy, all them little do it, why? We know say PMP are going off against it and them thing, but ram through the Marcus Garvey National Day. Victory for Marcus Garvey and Jamaica for black people. Yeah, so if you listen to the man, Garvey in his own words. You watch, you listen, and you listen. So whether or not you want to believe it, you know, we know so the goldfish them gone a long time. That are the last great white man who walk on this earth. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. None. We say others come after him like Malcolm X, Martin Luther King Jr. But all of these people, Louis Farrakhan, all of these people were students of Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey set the pace. That's a great man. Marcus Garvey never tell black people to kill each other and them say unite. Who divide us as a people in Jamaica? I don't know black people do it. A white man do it. It's a white man do it. Send 2,500 our youth them. We brothers, we sisters, we cousins, we brothers. And sisters are feeling and a brigadister. Send them to Cuba for training a guerrilla warfare and gun for kill black people. I don't know white people. I don't know black man do it. A white man. The son of the man who tell Marcus Garvey say man nigga. So we just want the people them to know, so we don't forget Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey is the one that we know about love. Black love. You hear Marcus Garvey say, just like how them canonize Joan of Arc and all these people, that's how we canonize our black leaders, our visionaries, like him. That's why we say the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. Give Marcus Garvey birthday, national holiday. That day, you won't even know that day the world will look to Jamaica. Because them say I greatest black man then. But if you miss something like that, I greatest thing that you can ever do for Jamaica. That is your greatest legacy. You want to leave a legacy. Why Siaga couldn't get that day there? Because PMP fight him. Him couldn't, you understand? So you have to do it now. Everything we Siaga in do, them against it. Anything we uplift Jamaica. So we continue the journey. Marcus Garvey a era. All of the guys them will fight against Marcus Garvey. Where are they now? Where are they now? You understand? That way I say. Where are they? You know, Marcus Garvey is still relevant to this day. Whilst them, no, them not dead about. Them dead. You understand? All of them. And Marcus Garvey are our era. So remember the giant Marcus Garvey who shaped our world throughout history. Every nation has produced great individuals who have left an indelible mark on the world. Garvey, mark, footprints still, everywhere you walk in our world is still there. So these are people whose legacies continue to inspire and guide future generations. So as we embark on a journey to celebrate one of such remarkable life, we invite you. Yeah man, say, well, we want people to remember, say, Marcus Garvey, a visionary leader and a global icon. He was the founder and organizer of the largest independent black movement in history. No other guy no do that. And we are talking about, you know, no internet. But guess what? You know, say them control all the internet and all them things. So you think say anything positive, you think them are allowed that to go out there to change black people. Anything if it destroy black people, it just pop up in your YouTube feed for your what? Foolishness. I watch black woman almost naked and a Turk. That them want if you do. Yeah, nothing educational. Yeah, you look and see I'm big old blacks sitting with like one of them big cow foot them. You understand? A Turk. I have one with a falls here about blue are them favorite color. Ugly like sin. And them the black people look up to. Nothing positive. And them first come out and say, oh, and them say Jamaican homophobic. This big ugly woman named Spice, and she come out and say, oh, me na business won't talk about no God, you know. And Satan me are working, you know. Oh, me no business, Batman for life. And God them sure. I wanna do. Wanna still what? Wanna still love Spice? How you mean? Cause hell not go, you know. Wanna have no God in now, you know. Marcus Garvey says somehow, you know, sometimes you have to leave some of them behind. And not every black people you can't care about Africa. Some of them have to leave them behind. So remember, so Marcus Garvey have the largest black movement in the history of the world. And back then, we never have no internet and all of these things. But him were able to motivate black people and inspire them with him writings. Because he used to have all the more newspaper. So as we speak, this global organization boosted over 11 million subscribe members. Imagine that. Back then, you know, YouTube now go allow that. Anything where you want to do any form of movement with black people, you can't use them. You can't use them social media. Them what you can't use them YouTube, them Instagram, and the other thing them out there. Even if you, cause you have to buy a website through them and them thing there, and them will sabotage it. So you now have the movement, no black movements out there positive. And them push it. Them do everything and sabotage it. You think I remember say them control the numbers, you know. Numbers with the computer system, you know. Because people might feel like say all in time you type all M and them thing there. When you type M, some numbers come up together and that's how you get M. If you know about coding and all them thing there. So although you use a keyboard, when you press M or A, and numbers turn into the letter. So them know how to sabotage all of them things there. Nothing if you uplift black people, you're not going to see that in your feed, in your YouTube. A pure negative thing. See one big old swatty one where she go up on stage and no panty. Name Jada Kingdom. All reason. So all them do is like a go-go. And guess what? And the women them are mostly women you see in a place in a film show. You understand? So everything is just there now. No shame, nothing. Them not no risk, no self-respect. So I saw them get black people. You know, see the white people I do it, you know. I go up on stage naked. Just have a, you understand what I'm saying? I see them pretend like that. Them not no shame. Uncle Dog alone not no shame, you know. I saw them I do it, you know. And this man, him will forget the holiday for how we all get back the consciousness. And when the people them got hell. So we have all the bullfrog and out now and them thing there. You understand? Pure destruction. So this global organization that Marcus Garvey have it named UNIA, Universal Negro Improvement Association. Marcus Garvey in Jamaica, Marcus Garvey was nothing, you know. In America, Marcus Garvey have to make him name because Jamaican are some ridiculous and weird people. And guess what? You think it changed over 100 years or more? I see them dummies, them same people, same mindset, licky, lazy, beggy, them not like read. Everything them say I was taught, I was told. Bad mind, covetous. So remember, you know, at the peak, at its peak, you know, this global organization, I will tell you already, 11 million people that over 100 years ago. So right now, if you multiply that by 10, that would be $1.1 billion. Anyone in the world can have a movement like that. You know, so boy, you can cut that nearly have 7 million. That's almost about 15% of the world you have in your hand. And I will eat that, and you can't spread. Because so it go on them thing through persuasion and repetition. So especially when consider era when it's in which it's thrive. So this was a time divide of the internet, phones and social media. A time when 2 world wars made both international and domestic communication incredibly challenging. Yet Garvey dared to defy the odds, traveling the world, even to non-English speaking regions, to spread his message of self-love and empowerment. You know, get that from the PMP criminal organization. All them promote is hate and wickedness. We are telling that. On God's earth, our PMP criminal organization have the most ghettos in our Kingston metropolitan area and the highest murder rate. That's not love. I told away from my community, you know. Me can't, no guy can't take away from my band because this is my band, and no guy can't take away my experience. So we could have all blood. And that way I tell you, I bet say if the big belly white boy come down there and tell you, when me I tell you, no believe him because I'm white. Whilst me we come from as a black man, I tell you how to change your life. And she said, them the people that destroy you. How many youths gun kill in a Jonestown and Concrete Jungle since I do that channel? How many? I only see one they're killing one another. And when I tell you, said that for stop. When you have to love, if you don't love yourself, you can't love the next man. That's why we say the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey. A black man book. A black man Bible that for redemption. Self-love. Unity. Self-reliance. So despite these risks, Marcus Garvey was undeterred. So you know, Garvey mission was carried out during a period when it was particularly dangerous for black men and women to venture beyond their own communities. And Marcus Garvey do it. He never afraid of no guy. Them try to kill Al Garvey, shot him 3 times. And a district attorney in New York sent man to go kill him, and then when time Garvey survived, them kill the same police, them kill the man when them sent to go kill Garvey. It's in a book. We're not going to know that because somebody, if you tell you, because we're not read. You understand? So armed with unmatched confidence and fearless passion for advancing black people worldwide, Garvey did not fear failure. He paid no mind to the laughter or the ridicule directed at him because he knew that his cause was just and his vision was vital. Confidence at him. So as we tell you, as we tell you and we delve into the life of Marcus Mosiah Garvey, you understand? Remember, say at the age of 36, published at the age of 36, Marcus Garvey, his story is one of extraordinary courage and determination. So so Marcus Garvey born August 17, 1887. In a Senton, in our island of Jamaica. So Garvey was the son of parents who were polar opposite. His Garvey father, a man of brilliant intellect, courage, and unyielding determination. And his mother, a sober and conscientious Christian, gentle and charitable. So say a sub black woman in Jamaica stay, yeah. Even if them not even, we are talking about even when we are going, them don't know you. Them see you and them show you love and them thing. They know a different thing. Nobody not love nobody at Jamaica no more. Everybody hate everybody and them thing if you're not related to them. A man in an argument and him kill all the man mother and the man mother not even know say him and the man in an argument. So him kill the man mother because him and the man him can't find the man to kill him. How reach at the farmer hatred. From this unique combination, Garvey inherited the strength to resist oppression and the compassion to fight for justice. Boy, me never stop fighting. And my mother always tell me, say, anything a man can do, you can do the same. Fear is imaginary. Me never afraid of no guy. You understand? Yeah, me never afraid of no guy. No cure. Oh, yeah. Hey, you have some police say all them ears say all a boy a wanted man and him there, so them no one coming because them afraid them dead. Me? Oh, me and Bobby Reds and Kirk Palmer, yeah man, and Gunter and Rocky, and we are first, we want to dead it. And them thing that we love. So growing up, Garvey experienced first and an harsh realities of racial discrimination. His early years were marked by friendships with whites and black children alike. But as he grew older, he began to understand the deep-seated racial prejudices that divided society. This awakening fueled his resolve to fight for the dignity and the rights of black people. Marcus Garvey never did start. He never did see himself as become a philosopher. Because I experienced. Just like how we hear surely. If you would tell me 30 years ago and them thing, they say, boy, Chris would have been sitting behind a mic and do this. Would I tell you say a lie, I tell them thing there. But I just saw it go. So sometimes destiny find you and you find it. I just saw it, you understand? Because we never did plan this. It just happened. Because of what we experience. The harsh realities of criminality within the police force and our group and say. And we are trying to save life because that's what we left in my age group. So no guy can't tell me nothing. I talk from personal experience. So a phone in life, I try to save, when they like me, The people them hate to I tell them if say, if defend this. And the labor them now go. And them not like we are telling them, say, don't follow them. A book, education, you don't want to live long. Ask a man, ask any man right now in your community where wanted. Ask him how him feel, how him sleep at night time. Because I fire listen every time him have to listen. If police are come and him have to plan for run. And him know if he might get for run for live, for outrun the police them. Ask them, are that kind of life you want? You don't want that, my brother. We don't say corrosion in your mind. Look upon the boy when he in charge of badness up on East Orange, New Jersey. Him kill Marcia Griffiths, baby father when he in Fox. Him kill Dave Clans, which a fear man that, and she married to him. So she sleep with the man who killed two of fear man. So that for sure say you can't change. Corrosion will always be corrosion. I just saw it go. Corrosion will always be corrosion. So you have to stay far from them. Garvey journey took him across the globe, from the Caribbean to the South and Central America to Europe, and finally to the United States. Everywhere he went, he encountered the same obstacles. But instead of becoming disheartened, because that them always do, them always put up barrier. So that's why I always tell people, you see, especially anytime look at what you're doing and somebody tell you no, stop there, say you just continue all the way up until somebody will tell you say yes. You always find somebody will say yes. Remember, say fear is imaginary, Fear is imaginary. Yeah, I as a constable, yeah man, me talk with the commissioner of police. Me and him sit down for over 3 hours in his office. No appointment. I'm just go there and man him say, boy, me can't believe the commissioner of police. You don't have no appointment and him see you. Because when him hear my name, ask the guy when him Llewellyn. That's why Hubert Llewellyn. And you have Jerry Polak nephew. Ask them. Because him know, you understand, that them call the commissioner of police and say, boy, a brother don't have him Christopher Porter for see you, And him say, no man, I'll send him up. Because him know my name. And him know my work and conduct. And him knows me know some things too. So him see me, I 3 hours me and him sit down. You're not afraid of people. Period. So me see the commissioner. The Tuesday and the Thursday me get paid. All the people them I once me I say, oh, you get paid so quick. And you have people who come back and work for all months and them can't get paid. The man I say all kind of thing. People don't know. Me go talk for myself. Me never afraid of no guy. Me never afraid of no one. Because I not disrespect people. My mother teach me that. Them things they instilling in me. Fear is imaginary. That's why I never afraid of no guy. Look how much a guy beat off of me. Me never afraid. Fear is imaginary. So all who want to kill me, yeah, you can kill me one time. And I just luck still, you understand? Because if God say a time for you go, the guy can't take, the guy can't stop that. I just saw it go. So if you believe in a divine, the higher power, you know say I just saw it go. Because when God say a year time, you understand? Look on Garvey. A 3-shot Garvey get in him chest. Garvey not supposed to live. And the Garvey go get speech same year that day. Bandage up. And that's why the people, them black people in America say, my prophet. He was the black Moses. All the FBI said. That's why you have the FBI. Why you think the FBI just come out and mark and a map and a mob. And Marcus Garvey, it start from Marcus Garvey. Why you have the FBI in America? Because them say my most dangerous black man on earth. And him never have no gun nor no gang. Because him have a mind. So you see who the government did fear? A man with a mind, not no gun. So all I want the dummies were down about, oh man a bad man, and a fool. The baddest man a man we can think. When nobody can control their mind. But when you feel say boy, oh boy. And the biggest informer criminal, me I tell you that as a old detective. Nobody can chat so like una leak like pipe. Or you think we know things? Uno see one chat and uno friend then chat and them thing. Because boss them a boss. And that's how we know. Uno the biggest informer, me I tell you. You understand? Yeah. So Marcus Garvey travels inspire him to ask crucial question. Where is the black man's government? Where is his king? Where is his kingdom? Unable to find satisfactory answers, Garvey resolved to help create them. So he started to build a movement for black unity and empowerment. Show me who in Jamaica do that. Who ever done that apart from Garvey and Edward Seaga. Edward Seaga erased the borderline them after 1980 election, you know. And then Michael Manley and PMP reinstalled back the imaginary borderline them, you know. You know, hear me talk all the while. Saying I 80s me walk from Concrete Jungle, go downtown, through Jonestown, Craigtown, Anatown, Matches Lane, down to the pier. Because that's a poor man beach, and a beach still low, you know. But that's how you can go for swim. Whole heap of youth drown down there and them things, and them not stop. And whole heap of youth learn to swim down there too. You understand? Who will do that? Who will empower black people? Black unity. See, I got to do that. Yeah. So upon his return to Jamaica in 1914, Marcus Garvey founded the United Universal Negro Improvement Association and the African Communities League with the aim of united black people worldwide in one great body, capable of establishing their own country and government. So this was not no small task, but Garvey's unwavering commitment and visionary leadership quickly attracted millions of followers. Because there was an appetite for it. There's no appetite for no black unity, you know. Everything is all about division. You're a labor right if you're dead. And if you kill people and you dead, you get the big belly white boy and him friend them come and say, alright, we help you with the funeral and I saw you get some coverage. But them shoot 17 people, you know, see big belly white boy. And them him want to bless. Him want to bless the one them pull the trigger. We not tell about no trigger or no, or the trigger of a gun. We are talk to you as Jamaican black people trigger. What you mean? So despite facing opposition from both white and black individuals, we are telling you know. Yeah, so yeah, that's why we are telling about the manless them. And black people too in Jamaica who sought to undermine his efforts. Garvey's movement continued to grow. His determination to uplift the black race led to the establishment of the Black Star Line, a shipping company designed to facilitate trade and transportation for black people globally. So Marcus Garvey first man said, oh, we are going to have our own thing as black people. And guess what? I see him black people sabotage it. Call it, see him licky business we are telling about, you know. Licky, beggy, one gagok, betray Marcus Garvey. And that's why him end up in a prison. Marcus Garvey dead a poor man. Marcus Garvey first man in a history in America we get deported. He my first man in a world where America seize in property in Jamaica and sell it. Marcus Garvey been through that. Them time and I like, no, we I tell you, Marcus Garvey all of them thing there. Deportation, Marcus Garvey first man for deported from America. First. Marcus Garvey first man where America for seize him assets in Jamaica. That's before Jamaica become independent, you know. Them time they are British. Jamaica was a British colony. And them back then for you have a British passport, you don't need a visa for come to America. And I saw him and his wife come to America and he did have green card and them thing there. Man, him first wife then through the work and them thing there, him and her divorced and him married to him secretary. You understand? And them say, boy, the good Garvey son of him dead, them say all corrosion alive. yeah. That them say, I just saw it go. So Garvey impact far beyond this time. His vision for a united, self-reliant black nation continued to inspire movements for social justice and empowerment today. His teachings remain a cornerstone for those who seek to uplift the black community and fight against systemic oppression. So as we continue, and we talk to you about Garvey, Marcus Garvey, but also the countless others who supported his mission, including his parents. I remember say his wife, Amy Jakes Garvey, and many members and graduates of African schools of philosophy and the UNIA. So we still say, boy, Marcus Garvey, if you have a holiday at Jamaica, and we say it again, Mr. Prime Minister, the time come for Jamaica to honor its most incredible son with the recognition he deserves. Marcus Garvey's contributions to our nation and the world are immeasurable, and it is only fitting to celebrate his legacy with a national holiday. It's August 17, man, be a day of unity, pride and reflection. A day when we come together as a nation to honor the man who gave so much to us and the world. Marcus Garvey Day would be a testament to our history, a celebration of present and an inspiration for our future. A national call to action, man, established August 17th as Marcus Garvey Day in Jamaica. That's all we want. We don't want nothing else. Marcus Garvey vision, a visionary leader and a beacon of black empowerment, is one of the most significant figures in Jamaica and global history. His contribution to the upliftment of people of African descent cannot be overstated, yet his legacy has not been fully honored in the land of his birth. It's time for the Jamaican government to rectify this oversight, man, by immediately enacting August 17th, Garvey's birthday, as a national holiday. This day should commemorate Garvey's unparalleled contributions and serve as a platform to inspire and uplift the next generation of Jamaicans. A national holiday for our national hero, man, is fitting. Marcus Garvey's teachings of self-reliance, unity and pride have shaped the consciousness of billions worldwide. We are talking about today, 2024. However, despite its global influence, Jamaica has yet to dedicate a national day of remembrance to him. Mr. Prime Minister and journalists, we are begging, man. Yeah, man. We don't care about what we know, so the PNP are go against it. We want you to do it. Don't make them come tell about, you understand? Do it because Marcus Garvey a black man. I white people, them in a fight him, you know. Remember say a white oppression the man in a fight against, you know. The British, you know, that were in a Jamaica and the racists them. Jamaica need to establish this day for the man. Garvey legacy need to live on. And it's not just a part of our history, but a vital force in our present and future. It is a day that should be set aside to reflect on the values Garvey championed and to ensure that these values continue to guide the nation. The celebration of Marcus Garvey Day should be more than a commemoration. It should be a day of action and inspiration. Today, the focus should be on showcasing the young minds working to uplift the next generation. From scholars and artists, we are talking Rasta. We're not talking about coke dealer, you know. So when we talk about Rasta, Buju Banton and a Rasta, you know. Spragga Benz and a Rasta. The Marleys, them and a Rasta. I always say that we don't apologize. We are talking Rasta like Everton Blender and Everton Blender. Lucian, although you know you don't know what I'm saying, boy, I mix up with that. Boy, when I'm band member, all kind of thing. But I mean, know all the man them and all them thing there. Capitan and a Rasta, Sizzler and a Rasta. So we are talking Rasta, real Congo Rasta man like Everton Blender and them man. And the youth, you understand. So for a guy I deal with violence and a Rasta. Rasta is love, peace and love. Rasta no walk with no entourage. Cause Rasta love. I just saw it go on them thing there. You know, see, Rasta no disrespect people. Rasta respect everyone. And that's why Rasta say I and princess and empress and king and all them thing there. Rasta ain't no bad man business. Yeah, you understand. So the celebration of Marcus Garvey Day should be more than a commemoration. It should be a day of action and inspiration. So today the focus should be on showcasing the young minds to working to uplift the next generation. From scholars and artists, entrepreneurs and activists, August 17 should be a day when we highlight and support the youth who are carrying Garvey's torch into the future. By doing so, we ensure that his legacies live on, not just in memory, but in action and achievements for those who come after him. Making August 17th a national holiday would send a powerful message to the world about Jamaica's commitment to honoring its era and uplifting its people. It would be a day of national pride, a celebration of our heritage, and a reminder that the principle of Garvey stood for self-determination, empowerment, self-reliance, self-pride, and unity are still relevant today. It would also provide an opportunity for Jamaicans to unite as a nation, reflect on our shared history, and inspire a brighter future. So you know, no guy if you come tell you, no you small if you come tell you about, you must have been a friend with no labor, right? When we're all black people. All them you know, for them see to reserve a L. With Neagle night when them got the departure now, them are uncomfortable right up to L. Neagles them going to sit on. How you mean? So the time to act now, Mr. Prime Minister. The Jamaican government must immediately establish August 17 as a national holiday in honor of Marcus Garvey. And we are telling you, say, you're going to see all tourism go up. Because Marcus Garvey, I tell you, say, to some black people, especially for Africa and Europe, Marcus Garvey, them see him as a saint. Them see Marcus Garvey as God sent. And we in Jamaica, you know, no respect Garvey, you know. Because or some guy who never like him and call him nigger and him thump them down. And that's why them, you understand. But we thank to Favour Williams, you understand, for make them teach Garvey in a school. So, you know, we're moving on. So this is not just about paying tribute to a great man. It is about reaffirming our national identity and ensuring the future generation understand and appreciate the value that have shaped our nation. Garvey's legacy is a cornerstone of Jamaican history, and it deserves to be recognized and celebrated with the respect and reverence it warrants. Enacting August 17 a Marcus Garvey National Holiday or Marcus Garvey Day would be a fitting tribute to a man whose life and work have impacted Jamaica and the world. It would be a day dedicated to remembering the past and inspiring the future by focusing on the young minds working to uplift the next generation. We ensure that Garvey legacy continue to thrive guiding Jamaica towards a future rooted in principle of self-reliance, self-respect, self-love, unity and pride. So let us unite as a nation to honor Marcus Garvey in the way he deserved by making August 17 a national holiday and a day of celebration for all Jamaicans, home and abroad. Remember, you know, Marcus Garvey is a man who loves black people, you know. And Marcus Garvey said black is beautiful. And Marcus Garvey inspire and uplift black people. And make black people know say them great. And Marcus Garvey remind the world say our ancestors built the pyramid. And Marcus Garvey tell us everything where them have we them thief it from. And we civilize them, our ancestors. But man, love entertainment. And what can I tell you say all this video? All the next 10 years before it reach our leave now 1,000. I tell you. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, as we tell you, if we are save one life, and one life that we save, I just saw it go on them thing there. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.